Hello, welcome back to the Academy. Today I am going to show how to make a simple Scratch clone. You will learn how to create draggable blocks, snap them together and make them to something cool. In Scratch, cloning means creating copies of a sprite while your program is running. These copies or clones can each act independently. You can use them to make games with bullets, falling objects, enemies, or even cool visual effects. Let's start up our project. Open Scratch and create a new project. Delete the cat sprite if you want and choose a new sprite. I am going with a wall for example. Now let's make our sprite creating clones. We will start with a basic script to create one clone every second. Add a when green flag play block to attach forever block from control. Inside it, place the block create clone of myself and under that wait 1 second. This means every second the sprite will make a copy of itself. Now they decide what the clones should do. Let's say we want each wall to fall from the top of the screen. When I start as a clone, add a go to x pick random -200 to 200 y 180 block. Now make it fall by changing its by position until it goes off the screen. You can customize this in so many ways. Add costumes, sound effects, or make the clones clickable for a mini games. Here's a quick challenge for you. Create a game when you have to catch the falling clones using a basket or character at the bottom. Use arrow keys to have and score points when you catch them. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more Scratch tips.